Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the problem related with engineering mechanics in the topic of equilibrium of rigid bodies, so support reactions. So the problem is a truss of 8 meters span is loaded as is shown in figure. Find support reactions. Okay, so now the truss is given. So that is 8 meter span, that is 4 meter and 4 meter is there. So there is a two forces, there is 12 kilonewton and 8 kilonewton acting on the top. Then here the 10 kilonewton vertical force is acting here. Okay, so now we can take, so this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree, so this is acting perfectly at the center. Okay, so for here is 2 meter and here is 2 meter, so here also it's act as a perfectly center. Here is 2 meter and here is 2 meter. Okay, so now we can draw the beam like this. So now here this is roller support, so only we having the VA. Okay, so another is here is fixed support, so we having the VB and HB. Okay, so VB and HB is there. So now we can take here is 12 kilonewton acting vertically and here the 10 kilonewton acting vertically. So then here 8 kilonewton acting vertically. Okay, so here is 2 meter, here is 2 meter, here is 2 meter, here also 2 meter. Okay, so now we can use the equilibrium equations, that is sum of horizontal force equal to 0, then sum of vertical force equal to 0, so then sum of moment about A equal to 0. Okay, so here is the A point and here is B and here is E, then here we can take the C and here we can take the D. Okay, so now we can apply the these equilibrium equation and find out the support reactions of VA, VB and HB. Okay, so now we can take the sum of horizontal force equal to 0. So there is only one horizontal force, that is HB. Okay, so now HB, so if K is going this direction, we can take the positive. So if K is going for this direction, we can take the positive. Then this direction, we can take the negative. Likewise for vertical forces, going upward direction, that is called positive. Then going downward direction, that is called negative. Okay. So now we can HB equal to 0. Okay, so this is one of the support reaction. Okay, so second thing is sum of vertical force equal to 0. So that is we having the vertical force of VA. So the VA is going upward direction, so we can take the positive value VA. Again the downward direction 12 kilonewton is there, so 12. Again downward direction 10 kilonewton is there, minus 10, then minus 8, then plus VB equal to 0. Okay, so now we can take VA plus VB equal to, so these terms going that side, that is positive 12 plus 10 plus 8. So now we can take VA plus VB equal to, so the value is 30 kilonewton. So we can take this as a equation 1. Okay, so here equation 1. So now next thing is we can apply sum of moment about A equal to 0. So we can take the moment about here. Okay, so now the in that point the moment VA will be 0. Okay, so the moment will be force into distance. So there is no distance in this point, so VA will be the 0. So now we can take, so the for moment we can take the clockwise force as a positive, then anti-clockwise force will be the negative value. So now we can take about A, so the 12 kilonewton is the positive direction. Okay, so now we can take 12 into the force into distance, the distance will be 2 meter, so force into distance 12 into 2. Again we having the clockwise force of 10 kilonewton, that is positive 10 into, so the total distance is 4 meter. Again we having the 8 kilonewton force, that is also in the positive direction, so we can take plus 8 into the total distance is 6. Again we having the anti-clockwise force, that is VB, so now we can take minus VB into the total distance will be 8 meter, so the 8 equal to 0. So solving this we got the value of VB, so VB equal to 14 kilonewton. Okay, so here the only unknown is VB. So using this equation, we can find out the VB equal to 14 kilonewton. So we can substitute the VB in the equation 1. So now VA plus VB equal to 30. Here VA plus VB is 14, that is equal to 30. So now VA equal to 30 minus 14, that is VA equal to 16 kilonewton. Okay, so these are the support reactions, that is VA equal to 16, then VB equal to 14, then VHP equal to 0. Okay, so this is the method we can solve the problem. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.